Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the deck and recording tools so the process is smooth. Open Google Slides, set the page to 16:9, and arrange your slides for timing. Once done, enable your microphone and webcam, then test levels and background noise to avoid surprises. Next, install a recording extension or choose the built-in presenter view. Make sure permissions for mic and camera are granted. This gives you a reliable baseline to capture both slide visuals and narration cleanly. You now record and enhance the content slide by slide. Start recording in presenter view or via the extension, narrate clearly and advance slides at natural pacing so each clip matches your audio. Once you have base audio, insert video clips or animated GIF to emphasize key points. Make sure media formats are supported. Then refine transitions and set auto-advance timings for any sections that need consistent duration. If you need tighter sync, re-record individual slides rather than the entire deck. You finish by exporting and doing final edits so the video is polished. Export the presentation as an MP4 or use a screen recorder to capture presenter view with narration. Make sure output resolution matches 16:9. Then open a simple editor to trim pauses, add captions, and normalize audio levels. If you hit problems, like audio drifting from slides, resync by shifting clips or re-record the affected slides and replace them. Finally, export the corrected master file and verify playback on multiple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.